In order to list the routing table, we have to issue the run show route over here on our router, and there we have it, our routing table. We can also run the run show route as with the option terse, like this, and there we have another layout of our routing table. A lot of information here. Let us see if we can break it down. If we take the first route here, route, like that. This is the route to the 10 network, which we have over here. It says direct, and it's active, indicated by the asterisk here. Direct means that this route is directly accessible, attached is a better word. This route is attached to our router out on GE001, which is hidden more or less in there. So that is how you understand this. In the same way, the 11 network is directly attached to GE002 over here. I have illustrated the same thing over here. GE001 is the 10 network, and 11 is on GE002, which we have there. The same information is down here in the more condensed, the terse. Terse means brief or short version, in this case, short version of the routing table. So we have the same information there. The 10 route is there, and the 11 route out on GE002 is down here. Further, we can understand that the route to the, for example, to the 11 network goes out on GE002. This means that anything for this network here, the 192.168.11.0/24, has to go out on the GE002 network. This means that if something is for example, in our case here for PC2, on the .2 address, the router will route it out on GE002, as that is where the entire network is sitting, actually indicated by these two last numbers here, the 0 and the /24. This means that any address on GE002 in the range from in this address range here, this is what will be the IP addresses that the router will send packages to out of GE002. So if any package is within this range here, from .2 to .254, then that is going out on GE002. In our case here, we only have one device. We have the .2 device, but you can have devices in this address range here. So .3, .4, .5, and so forth, up to .254. Now, there's a part in the routing table that we haven't talked about. This part here and this part here, this /32 IP routes. And it says local. So what does that mean? It's the same information we have in the two routing tables. These routes, if we take the lower one here, is actually to the GE002 interface. If we want to do something on the 192.168.11.1 address, if we have information that is for that interface, then this is the route, this is the IP address that you should address. Let us say that we want to ping interface G002. Let me arrange this here. To reach the ping service on G002, then this is the address obviously to use. We have obviously the same information down here. It's the local address, it's local, also indicated actually 2 times in the table here by the uppercase L and the local there. And all of it taking place on G002. So if I want to ping, as I said, from PC1 to the interface here to G001, which means that I will access on that address, the .1 address, I will be accessing the ping program there. I'll demonstrate that over in Workstation, simply how to do that. Here I have my PC1. So in order to ping from PC1 here, to ping the .1 interface, access the ping program on the router for that interface, I will type in ping over here. And that is how we ping the interface, the router interface from our PC1 to the interface G001 at the .1 address. That will give us access to the ping program for that interface. On the router, we have a number of services. I have highlighted some of them over here. The ping service, the HTTP service, and the SSH server. Server or service, that's a matter of taste, I think. We can list the services that are on our SRX router. I have moved into this level here in the configuration or editing mode on the SRX. So if we at this level issue a set command and a question mark, we will see what services are available on our SRX. And we can see that we have, let me find the ping. The ping is right here, and the HTTP. They are alphabetically ordered, so that SSH, we have that there. These are just the 3 examples that I have over here.